drummer.
Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong switch. Double 12 yung nakalagay pero isa lang, nagkamali yung box. SW BT12540WS, isang 12 inches na speaker, tapos trolley na siya. Meron na siyang dalawang wireless mic tsaka remote control. Ang sa package niya, meron siyang isang portable speaker, remote, power cable, rechargeable wireless microphone, auxiliary cord, user manual, warranty card, Type-C charging cable, 2 rechargeable battery. Ang gross weight niya is 7.8 kg. Switch AC Bluetooth version 5.0. Meron siyang USB, mic input TWS, lead whitening, meron na siyang FM. So yun guys, i-unbox natin itong switch 12540 TWS. So let's go. Ito ang kanyang wireless mic, dalawang wireless mic, chargeable. Itong kanyang accessories, meron siyang dalawang chargeable battery, stopper, remote control, charging, dalawang charger para sa microphone. Meron siyang 3.5 jack to 3.5 jack, stopper, dalawa. Unbox natin ito. Ito yung kanyang top panel. Dalawang wireless dalawang mic input. Meron siyang audio in and out, SD card, USB, DC 5 volts in, echo, mic bass, mic treble, mic music bass, treble, power button, ito mic mode. So ito guys is 12 inches yung speaker. Ito na siyang lead panel. Kung siya nagaya ng wireless mic nito. Ito. Greater, meron siyang gulong, tapos ito, so pwede mo siyang so trolley na siya guys, pwede mo magagamit pag namamasko. So, i-on natin. Yun o.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Yun o. So, try tayong magpa-music. try natin ni karaoke guys.
Finding it hard, leaving your love behind me. I just can't smile without.
So yun guys, na-test na natin itong Switch BT1254 12 inches speaker with trolley. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe na marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.